Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you a equipment-free booty sculpting pyramid. Now, of course, you guys can see that I am very pregnant, but this is not a prenatal workout. However, if you are pregnant, you can do it, but if you're not pregnant, it is safe to do obviously as well. So let's get to it. So here's the pyramid. We're going to start with 50 reps of a walking lunge. Then we're going to go into 20 reps of a donkey kick. We're actually going to do 20 on each side. We're going to do 30 hip lifts. Then we're going to do 20 side leg lifts, 10 on each side. And then we're going to finish with a squat with a double pulse at the bottom. You've got 10 of those. Quick little break, and then we're gonna go right back down in the reverse order. So you guys probably already know how to do all those moves I just said, but I'm gonna show you anyway. First move, we're gonna do a walking lunge. So you can go from one end to your mat to the other, or you can just go around a nice little green circle here that I have here. So you're just gonna come down. You almost wanna kiss the ground with that back knee, and then stand right back up. So I'm just gonna go back and forth on my mat to show you guys, but y'all should know that you can continue walking forward or backwards. So the key with this move is to make sure that your weight is in your heel, you can lift up your toes, and that you're really engaging your glutes. So next we're gonna come on down to the ground. We're gonna be doing a donkey kick. You're gonna do 20 on each leg for a total of 40. So you're gonna come down, hands are right below your shoulders. That right leg is gonna go up and down. So your abs are engaged, and you're keeping that 90-degree angle in your knee. We're just gonna do 20 here on the right, switch, we're gonna come into 20 here on the left. Really try to form a fist with your glute as you get to the top range of motion. And note that your back should not be doing a cat-cow. So if you want, do a few cat-cows and then find neutral and just hold that position right there. Notice how my lower back is not arching or caving in. Next, we're coming into a bridge. We're gonna be doing 30 of these. So you're just gonna come down onto your back. You wanna be able to kind of graze your heels with your hands. Okay, here we go. So I am pregnant, and you don't wanna lay down for an extended period of time, but for the amount of time we're gonna be here, this is totally fine. So you're just gonna squeeze your glutes as you lift on up, and then come back down. You're gonna do 30 of these. If this feels a little too easy, you always could do one single leg and do 15 reps on each leg instead if you want a little bit more of a challenge. The key is to make sure that you can graze your heels with your hands, and you're really forming two fists with your glutes as you come on up. Next move is going to be, if you're pregnant, come on up on your side. Next move is going to be a side leg lift. So I'm gonna be doing this from a kneeling position. So you're gonna come onto your knees and then put your hands out like a T, and then you're gonna go up to the side. And here we go, we're just gonna do 10 on the right, like this. And then you're gonna come back up like a T, come on down, other leg extends, and 10 on the opposite side. Last move, one of my favorites and most challenging, is going to be a squat with a double pulse. So feet, we're gonna do a little bit sumo style. Feet are a little bit wider than shoulders. Come on down into that squat, all the way down, come up once, come up twice, and stand up tall. That's one. You have 10 reps total. So come on down, 1, 2, and up. Once you do 10 of those, take a quick little break. If you're pregnant, grab some water, a towel, and then we are gonna go right back into 10 of those squats. And then we're back down to the ground. You guys know this. 10 on the right, 10 on the left, 20 bridges, or 30 bridges, 40 leg lifts, 20 on each side, And then we finish it off with our 50 walking lunges, 25 on each leg. Awesome job. You guys at home did amazing. You can do this workout anywhere. You could do it at the gym, you could do it outside, and you could of course do it at home. Like I said, this isn't a prenatal workout, but I am pretty pregnant. I'm 35 weeks. So you can do this if you're just as pregnant as I am. If you get uncomfortable when you're doing the bridges, put a pillow underneath your shoulders so that your heart is elevated above the babies. I'm Sarah. Subscribe to my channel for more prenatal mom workouts as well as fitness that does not involve children or being a mom. I'll see you soon.